In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the business ID of a suspended Google business profile quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, what you'll need to do is open your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type in the name of your business followed by My Business into the search bar. Then simply hit enter. This will initiate a search within Google's platform to locate your business profile. After the search results have loaded, you'll want to look for your business name within the list. It should appear right at the top or close to it if your business is well established. When you find it, click on the link that says View Profile. This action will redirect you to your business dashboard. This dashboard is crucial as it is your main hub for managing your business's visibility and settings on Google. Next, look for an icon that typically consists of 3 vertical dots situated near your business listing. This icon represents additional options, so go ahead and click on it. Here, a drop-down menu should appear, showing various settings tied to your business profile. From this menu, you'll want to select the Business Profile Settings option. It's essential to select this because it provides you with a deep dive into more detailed settings and configurations for your business on Google. Once you're in the business profile settings, the next step is to navigate to Advanced Settings, which should be available within the menu. Click on it to access options that are not immediately visible on the main settings page. As you proceed to Advanced Settings, you should see your Google Business Profile ID displayed at the top of this section. This is your unique identifier and is particularly critical if your profile has been suspended. The business ID is a key component that you may need if you're ever required to communicate with Google support or work through a reinstatement process. Finally, once you've located your business ID, take a moment to copy it and store it safely. You might want to paste it into a document or a secure note on your computer, ensuring it's easily accessible when needed. Saving your ID can save you a lot of time and hassle in the future, especially if you find yourself needing to refer back to it for troubleshooting or business verifications. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully found and secured your Google Business Profile ID. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and helpful guides like this one.